Hello everybody, Hello ZV here, and today I'll be showing you the Polar Arctic Fox glitch. As you can see, I'm a Polar Arctic Fox with no snowflakes on my side, but black and magenta snowflakes on the ground. So this, you are going to need you're going to need your main account. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I have my friend Erin's back. She's still sick. But, okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to need once you have your spare, make sure your dogs don't freaking go crazy, and get your main here, and make sure that your spare has 2 dens. So then take your main one. Oh, by the way, you're going to need just a regular Polar Arctic Fox for this. So go to your mains, your spares den. You still there, Aaron?
Yeah.
You're like dead silent. Take out your Polar Arctic Fox. Shelby in her little dress just sat down over there. And then take I suggest the seal. You can do any animal you want, but I suggest the seal because that's how you get rid of the snowflakes on your back. So get your I suggest that you do split screens for this because if you don't know, this is going to be like pure speed reaction. So once you have that, I'm going to move Aaron over here. Once you have that, I'm actually going to let Aaron see what's happening because this is really complex and she knows my anxiety is going to spark out of control right when I do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to put that up, and then you're going to put the switch screens thing on this. Now while my dogs are crying, at the same exact time... Oh, it worked! First try! So if you look on this, you are the fox, but on this, you are not. You are the seal. That's what you want. That's what you want. So then, I'm going to move this out the side, and then I'm going to take this. And so what you're going to do is, as the seal, you're going to take your pattern, and then you're going to go over to the pattern right here. It shows that it's there, and you can just put whatever color you want. And then if you look on this, look, you have nothing. Aaron, look at this. You have nothing. And then you can pick the color you want. What color should I pick, Aaron? You choose, because it's going to be with magenta. What color?
Teal.
Teal. Okay. Find a teal. Is this? No. This, Aaron?
Yeah.
And then look at the fox. So then, all you got to do is refresh. Yeah, that's just a glitch that also happens on this. Once you refresh, and then if you have the glitch like me, get out of the spares. Yeah?
I gotta go.
Oh, well, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. So then you got to and then look at this. You got your fox. You just have to make sure that you do not change the pattern over here. You cannot change it, or else it will mess the whole thing up. Your whole look will be messed up. I'm gonna go for a little magenta look. I'm gonna put the rare this on, and then the magenta dizzy stars, and then do I have anything else that's blue? Oh, you have a blue top hat, but I don't want to put that on. So yeah, that is the glitch. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.